Yoga Flow to stretch your body. This series of simple stretches is designed to help you improve your flexibility, strength, and energy. Find a comfortable place and do this flow to boost your mood, relieve stress, and recharge for the day. Begin with Namaskarasana. Right leg forward to Veerabhadrasana 1, Warrior 1. Change to Badha Uttana Prishtasana. Veerabhadrasana 2, Warrior 2. Bring your left leg forward to Veerabhadrasana 2, Warrior 2. Back to Badha Uttana Prishtasana. Viparitha Veerabhadrasana. Adho Mukha Svanasana or downward facing dog. Now rest your arms down and touch your knee to the nose. Repeat on the other side. Pause in Vajrasana. Now move to Ardha Matsyendrasana on both sides. Then relax in Dandasana. Listen to your body and be mindful while practicing these asanas. Consult a medical professional if you feel uneasy.